up people, and welcome to yet another video. I want all of you to watch this video very carefully, especially all you men out there. Recently I put out a poll on my Instagram asking you guys what kind of videos would you like me to make, and so many of you sent in the same question: daily skincare for when you step out for work, or when you go to the office, or when you're working from home. So this is a really simple 3 or 4 part skincare tutorial that I'm going to do today to show you how you can prep your skin daily before you step out to office. I know that some of you are now resuming offices, going back to your workplace, or just stepping out for small meetings or something. I'm going to give you this really easy guide on how you can do it and manage this. Remember, this is a day skincare routine, okay? But first, before I continue with this video, I'm going to request you to hit the subscribe button, because my channel is where you're going to get a lot of little grooming hacks and tutorials, and of course follow daily vlogs from my lifestyle and travels in Mumbai and around the world. Okay, let's jump right into it. The first step, when you wake up in the morning, obviously I'm going to do a night skincare routine video separately. So the first step, when you wake up in the morning and when you're in the shower, you need to give your skin a good cleanse. So just like you're giving your skin on your body a nice cleanse and a nice scrub when you are in the shower, that's exactly what you need to do with your skin as well first thing in the morning. So definitely we all know that we're using great quality face washes or face cleansers. I've been using a foaming cleanser. So a cleanser, the difference between a cleanser and a face wash is a cleanser goes slightly deeper into your skin and really pulls out all the impurities. So if there's any sweat deposits in your skin during the night, or there's any residual product from the night before, or anything at all, you really start your skin fresh. This is a foaming face cleanser. I really like it because it's really light on the skin, and of course it absorbs all the impurities. And this is what the texture looks like. Guys, I'm not going to be able to do a demonstration here because obviously I'm going to have to wash my face entirely. So this is just like a partial demonstration, but you are obviously going to do this in the shower with much more water. So with this cleanser, you're going to prep your skin, the first step for your day skincare routine. Now I'm going to move on. I'm going to wash this off and I'm going to talk about the second step. So guys, first step is done. I've cleansed my skin and it's really a nice base from where I'm going to prepare it for the day. Now that we've cleansed the skin as a base from where we can prep it for the day, I'm going to jump straight into moisturizing. Okay, so we all know about moisturizing, as the name suggests, giving it moisture. But I'm not going to jump straight into moisturizer. There's a new kind of product and a new stage that I have been trying out for the past couple of months, and it's really been working for me. It's a product called hyaluronic acid. And guys, when I heard the name hyaluronic acid, I was like, oh my god, I'm not putting an acid on my face. But it's a wonder product. It is not really a burning acid. Hyaluronic acid is something that you need to put on your face. It's really gentle on the face, and what it basically does is it traps in all the water, moisture. It pulls it in like a sponge. Okay, so if you do your research, you're going to find a lot of products out there in the market which have hyaluronic acid, and that's going to help you literally retain the moisture, and that's going to be really amazing. So what I'm going to do is, I've discovered this Nykaa Skin RX hyaluronic acid serum. This is what it looks like. It comes in a little serum. Of course, there are moisturizers which have hyaluronic acid already inside, which you can use, but I'm just showing you what I'm using. So the first step is gonna prep a layer of moisture with this hyaluronic acid serum. Now the trick is to do it just after the shower when your skin is still slightly moist, so it kind of pulls in that moisture, that extra moisture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this droplet, just a couple of drops, and apply it on the face, and then work it in until it is entirely absorbed. Okay, so guys, this is what I've done. I've prepped my skin. You literally don't feel it. It's like it's water, guys. You don't feel like you're putting any thick serum. I can't feel anything. What I've done now is laid this hyaluronic acid serum on my skin, and it's going to pull in the moisture. Now my next step is I'm going to put on a moisturizer on the top to finish it, and then the hyaluronic acid is going to be able to pull and retain that moisture. And you will notice this, guys, after a few days of using this hyaluronic acid and moisturizer on your skin, you're going to notice this glow on your face. I have noticed it visibly, okay? I'm going to move right into moisturizer. Now there are lots of options in the market depending on your budget, depending on your skin type. So that's a whole nother video, but I'm just going to show you one of the many moisturizers that I use. So I love the Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour hydration, which I really enjoy. So the idea is to just dab it onto your skin nicely and kind of work it in. So this is going to glide right into your skin, and when working with the serum, it's going to provide this nice little kind of coat of moisture through the day. And when you drink a lot of water, you are going to notice a difference in your skin within the first couple of days. Okay, so now that my face is entirely prepped, guys, there is one more stage which you cannot forget, and most of us are forgetting. Just before you step out of the house, you have to layer on some sunscreen. We do not realize, especially most of us Indian guys say, oh, Indian skin is used to the sun, but we do not realize how much damage the skin is doing. Every dermatologist, every skin specialist will tell you that the most important product in your skincare routine is sunscreen. So remember, after cleansing, moisturizing, prepping your skin for the day, you have to put on one layer of SPF before you step out. Even if you're jumping into the car and you're not really sitting in the hot sun, there are UV rays that is aging your skin, causing pigmentation, causing damage. So this is definitely what I recommend. I've got the Dermalogica Protection 50 Sport. It's an SPF 50, so that's quite strong. Okay, and sport, so it really works if you've got an active lifestyle. So I'm gonna let you guys decide how much you want to use, not too much. This is what the texture is. And of course, just like a moisturizer, you're going to put it on. Now guys, with a little stubble, remember that sunscreen can tend to stick on your beard, little residue sunscreen. So you need to do this in front of a mirror and make sure that you work it into your skin. Can't really see right now. Work it into your skin entirely so that your whole face is covered, and that you don't have any residue sunscreen, but that you have enough product. Now this is going to last you through the day. If you are once again stepping out in the afternoon after your morning at work, don't forget to top up your sunscreen. Now this, I'm going to summarize this. You prep with a cleanser in the morning, okay, and then you jump right into a moisturizer. You have two choices: either go in straight for a moisturizer, or if you want to give that extra boost of moisture, a base of hyaluronic acid followed by a good quality moisturizer that really suits your skin. And finally, the most important step, you cannot ever forget to put on SPF before you step out. This is a really easy 5-minute route. Actually, it doesn't even take 5 minutes, it's like 3 minutes, but you just need to know what to do. This is how I prep my skin every morning, and that's why kind of making sure I have healthy looking skin. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Of course, guys, I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any skin concerns, leave it in the comments. I'm going to try and respond to each of you personally. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of these grooming videos and skincare videos. So of course, till my next video, see you soon.